name is Zulkifli.
My name is Syaful Anur.
My name is Zainul Alshar.
My name is Muhammad Arfin.
My name is Siti Humaira. My name is Nafisa Putri Raja. My name is Zaskia Aulia Rajab.
Hi guys, today we will make an English practice video assignment.
Namely a review of nasi padang.
Nasi Padang is a typical Sumatran food, more precisely in the city of Padang. The specialty of this food is rice which is given coconut milk or curry sauce, and various kinds of side dishes and very tasty green chili sauce.
This grilled chicken has a soft texture. The taste is sweet and salty, and there is a grill aroma that
The tasty of this shrimp is very tasty. Besides that, the portion is also very much.
This is fried to a crispy when you eat. It tasty, savory, and delicious.
As for the curry jackfruit vegetable, which has a savory taste and a kicking spice, so that it makes the appetite increase.
This typical Padang rendang is cooked for hours so that the texture is very soft and not difficult to cook. It tasty, sweet, savory, and there are various kind of species.